friends. I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter Q. These words start with Q. Queen, quiet, and quilt. Queen, quiet, and quilt. I'll start with Q. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter Q with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big Q or the little q? Okay, let's draw the big Q first. Draw a circle, add a little line. Okay, friends, you did just fine. Great job drawing a big Q. Now let's draw the little q. Draw a circle, now give it a tail. Great job, friends, do you see the whale? Great job! Let's do that again. Draw a circle, now give it a tail. Great job, friends, do you see the whale? Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter Q. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.